Hello, English, the podcast listener. I am Anna. Today, we are talking about the only way to become fluent in English. 3,000. That is the approximate number of words you need to understand almost 95% of everyday spoken English. But the real question is this: what is the most effective way to learn those words? Many learners spend years watching lessons, memorizing long vocabulary lists, paying for tutors, or sitting in classrooms hoping fluency will arrive one day. Unfortunately, these traditional methods are often slow, tiring, and expensive, and they can drain your motivation fast. You study hard, but speaking still feels difficult and unnatural. So, is there a smarter way to learn English without stress or boredom? Is there a method that helps your brain learn naturally, just like children do? The answer is simpler than you think, and it does not require textbooks, grammar drills, or endless exams. In fact, it starts with understanding real English in real situations. This is where a powerful and natural approach changes everything, helping you learn faster, remember longer, and enjoy the process, instead of feeling stuck or frustrated every single day. This approach works for beginners and learners worldwide. The answer is very simple. The most effective way to learn a language is through comprehensible input, which means learning English by understanding messages instead of memorizing rules. Humans do not acquire language by studying grammar books or translating every sentence. We acquire language in one natural way, when we understand what we hear and read. This idea is commonly known as comprehensible input. But what does that really mean in real life? Let me show you how this works with a simple example. Imagine I say, "Let's go outside." Outside. This is a door. I am opening the door now. These are my shoes. I put on my shoes. Now we are outside together. This is a cat. This cat is an animal. The cat is small. Its color is white. Over there, you can see a tree. This tree is tall. These are leaves. Now look at the ground. This grass is short. It has been cut. This grass is long. It has not been cut. You can clearly see the difference. One is shorter and one is taller. Behind us, there is a road. On the road, there is a car. Someone is sitting inside the car. You can see the person through the window. Next to the road, there is water. You can call it a small pond. Even if you did not understand every single word I used, your brain is already learning. You are learning through repetition, context, actions, and visual clues. You are not translating, you are understanding. And because you understand, your brain is naturally connecting meaning to language. This is exactly how comprehensible input works, and this is why it is so powerful. Compared to traditional learning methods, comprehensible input helps you improve many skills at the same time. You build vocabulary naturally. Your pronunciation improves because you hear words again and again. Your listening comprehension becomes stronger. You start noticing grammar patterns without studying grammar rules. You understand sentence structure without memorizing formulas. And most importantly, you slowly begin to think in English instead of translating from your native language. All of this happens without boring textbooks, stressful exams, or long classroom lectures. That is the reason I decided to teach you these 3,000 essential English words through real-life content. Instead of lessons that feel heavy and tiring, I use real situations, daily life, travel, and simple experiences. These videos are designed to feel natural, relaxed, and interesting. You are not studying English, you are experiencing English. Learning becomes enjoyable instead of stressful. It does not feel like work, and it does not feel like school. My goal is for you to stay consistent and keep watching until you reach your goal of speaking English confidently. No matter if you are a beginner, an intermediate learner, or even advanced, this method can help you. These videos should become part of your daily routine, even if you only watch for a short time each day. To get the best results, there is a simple system you can follow. First, you watch comprehensible input videos like these. While watching, focus on understanding the message, not individual words. Listen carefully to pronunciation. Repeat sentences if you want. You can practice shadowing by speaking along with the video. Pay attention to how sentences are formed and how words are used naturally. Let your brain learn without forcing it. The second step is to reinforce what you just learned. After watching, you can use a helpful ChatGPT prompt linked in the description. This tool helps you review new words from the video. It shows you meanings again, gives examples in past, present, and future forms, and provides small quizzes to check your understanding. You can customize it based on your level. You can ask for explanations in English only, in your native language, or in both. You can also ask any questions you have, and it will help clear your confusion. The third step is optional, but very useful for long-term memory. If you want to remember words for months and years, especially if you do not speak English often, you can use a spaced repetition system like Anki. Add new words and review them slowly over time. If you prefer not to use software, you can simply review words whenever you feel the need. This method is simple, effective, and easy to follow with just 3 clear steps. So, to summarize everything, start by watching comprehensible input videos like the ones on this channel. Focus on understanding the message instead of memorizing rules. After that, use the ChatGPT support tool linked in the description to review and strengthen what you learned. It will help you practice meanings, examples, and usage in a simple and flexible way. The third step is optional, but if you want to remember vocabulary for the long term, over months and even years, you can use an SRS tool like Anki. And even if you decide not to follow every single step, simply watching these videos regularly will still help you improve, because comprehensible input is one of the most effective ways to learn a language naturally. Research shows that learning through understanding real content is far more effective than traditional classroom methods. This means a short 10 to 15-minute video like this can give you the same value as a full hour of classroom study, and it is completely free. If you find these videos helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and sharing them with others who want to learn English. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. You can also check the playlist to review words from earlier videos. And remember, fluency is possible for you. Keep going, stay consistent, and never give up.